Welcome to my YouTube channel RazeCat, and today we will see what is the concept of current in case of RC circuit and LR circuit. Okay, so in the electrostatics, RC circuit and LR circuit, in which in the RC circuit there are two things: resistance and capacitance, and in the LR circuit we have inductance and resistance. Okay, so what is the concept of current in this? I. Okay, so how we will draw this RC circuit? We will draw like this. So various times in this, because of this current concept, the questions are asked, and various students are not able to solve this. Okay, so we will see today what is the important concept behind this. Okay, for the current. Okay, so if you will see that both have the voltage of V and the resistance in both are R. Okay, so if you will see that here the resistance is R and the voltage is V, and when the suppose that initially it is discharged, okay, or the charge is 0, initially it has no charge. Okay, this circuit, RC circuit, and this LR circuit also have no inductance. Okay, or the power is 0. Okay, or the initial power is 0, or suppose that what is the energy stored? Half Li square. Half Li square will be stored. This energy will be stored when it is fully charged. So suppose that initially energy is 0, and when it is fully charged, what will be the energy? Half CV square. Okay, so suppose that initially it's the energy of this is 0, half CV square is 0. Okay, and is this half Li square, initially it is 0, so both have 0 energy or the 0 charge. Okay, so when it is there in the initial stage, what is difference in this and what is difference in case of LR circuit? So suppose that when it is in the RC circuit, the current will flow like this. Okay, and here this is positive terminal, so this plus Q charge will be there, minus Q charge will be there. Okay, and in this current will flow like this. Okay, so but if you will see in this, when it is initially discharged or it has no charge, the current will flow like this. Okay, in this direction, but in this, at the time t is equals to 0, okay, the current will not flow. Okay, or the current will be equal to 0. Okay, in this case, in the case when it is at a time t is equals to 0, because what will this inductance do? This when it has no inductance or the no energy, this current is 0, so it will just, it is just like this. Okay, so it will resist the current flow when it has no energy. Okay, but in the case of this RC circuit, what it will be there? It is just like an wire. Okay, so if you will see this at time t is equals to 0, how we can draw this figure? Okay, so this figure can be drawn like this. Okay, we can replace this by a simple wire. Okay, in the case of time t is equals to 0. Okay, but in this case, what we have to do? We have to just simply replace it with a space. Okay, or like this space. So at time t is equals to 0, the figure of LR circuit is like this. Okay, and the figure of this RC circuit is like this. Okay, so I will draw one more time. Okay, so at time t is equals to 0, what will be there? This will be a simple wire. Okay, and the current I will be there, so the voltage drop around this will be I into R. Okay, or simply V. Voltage drop across this current, this resistance will be V. Okay, because this battery is there and this resistance is there, so voltage drop will be simply V. but in the case of this inductance it will be a open space because it has resisted the current flow. Okay, because it will be having zero energy and it is also resisting the inductance as property that it will be resisting the current flow with this at time t is equal to 0 when it has zero energy. But in the case of this RC circuit, what will be there? It is just like a wire. Okay, or it has zero resistance. It will be having a zero resistance and it will be having a maximum resistance. Okay, so this is difference between this and this, and because of the maximum resistance, what it will be there? It will resist the flow of current, or it will be a simple blank space. But in the case of this capacitive circuit, this will be a wire or resistance will be equal to 0. So this thing is very very important. What it will be there at time t is equal to 0 in the case of RC circuit and in the case of LR circuit. So this is the main difference in this case. Okay, at time t is equal to 0. Okay, so what will be there when it will be at time t is equal to infinity. Okay, and one more thing before we see that what will be there, what is the concept at time t is equal to infinity. The thing in this is, in the capacitive circuit, any circuit which has a capacitance, so the current in at time t is equal to 0 we can replace as with a wire. But at time t is equal to t, what will be the condition? The condition will be, it will be having a some charge of positive q and it will be having a some charge of negative q. So when you will see that this current I will flow from this to this, but in this blank space no current will flow, and again here the current I will flow. So how this happens? That current I is flowing here to here, but no current is here, and this current again I is here coming in this, because if current I is going from this, current I should come in this. The current left from the positive terminal of the battery is equal to the current gained by the same battery at the negative terminal. So this law should follow. Okay, so what happens here in this case, because of this charge or because of this q charge, this potential difference q is equal to cv is there na, so q by c is equal to v. So this, because of this potential difference or this opposite polarity charge, this potential difference is developed, and this current, this because of this potential difference again I from here comes here. Okay, so how this current is transferred from here to here? With the help of charge, positive polarity charge and negative polarity charge, although there is no current in this. So if it is asked that in a RC circuit or any capacitive circuit where the current is not there, okay, so current is not there between the two plates of the capacitance. So in the any RC circuit or in the any capacitive circuit or RLC circuit or any capacitive circuit, the current is not there between the two plates of the capacitance. Okay, and in other places in the circuit the current is there. Okay, so at time t is equal to 0 we can replace it with a wire, but it has a maximum resistance, so it has blank space or no current is flowing here. Okay, so so we know that at time t is equal to infinity, what will be there when it is like a time t is equal to infinity, what it has, it will be there, so it has a maximum charge. This resistance RC circuit, this capacitance will be having a maximum charge, will be equal to q naught, and this will be equal to q naught, and this voltage V is equal to same as voltage here. So q naught is equal to C into V. So whole voltage will be here. Okay, so in the we know in the case of series connection, this resistance and this capacitance, how they are connected? They are connected in series. Okay, so at any time t is equal to t, the voltage V will be divided between this and this. But at time t is equal to infinite, when it is fully charged, the whole voltage will be V here. The voltage here will be equal to 0. So if voltage here is equal to 0, so current here is equal to 0. So the no current will flow in this circuit at time t is equal to infinite. Although at time t is equal to 0, current whole current I was flowing as compared to this, but at time t is equal to infinite, as whole potential in this is there with this, so it will be having a zero current. Okay, so now at time t is equal to infinity, this circuit will be this. Okay, and we can replace this capacitance with a simple open space because it has a maximum resistance, or we can say that the voltage V here is gained by this capacitance. So if voltage has become same, so here the no voltage will be gained by this, or the current with this will be zero. Okay. But so suppose that these are connected in parallel. Okay, so if they are connected in parallel, this resistance is here and this capacitance is here, and again the battery is here. So at time t is equal to infinite, this is so at time t is equal to infinite, this is an open circuit. Okay, so whole current I will be flowing with this in the case of this parallel circuit. But in the case of they are connected in series, the current at time t is equal to infinite will be zero. Okay, so this thing we have to remember, that in the case when they are connected in series, no current will be there at time t is equal to infinite. But in the case of time t is equal to 0, current I will be there. We can replace it with a wire or a zero resistance wire. Okay, at time t is equal to infinite, what will be happened here? It will be fully charged, so this inductance we can replace it with a wire. Okay, so it is like this, the circuit will be like this. Okay, so at time t is equal to infinite, the resistance offered by this inductance will be zero. We can simply replace this with a zero resistance wire and solve the question. So if it is asked at time t is equal to infinite, what will be the current in this circuit if the voltage is 2 volt and the resistance is this and the inductance is this? So we don't want to use any inductance, because at time t is equal to infinite, the inductance or the resistance offered by this will be zero. So we can simply replace it with a zero resistance wire, and we can solve. Suppose that this is a 3 volt and this is 2. So V is equal to IR. So V by R 3 by 2 is equal to I. So at time t is equal to infinite, 1.5 will be the current in this circuit. Okay. So so in the case of at time t is equal to 0, it will be having maximum resistance. At time t is equal to infinite, it will be offering a zero resistance. While in the case of capacitance, zero resistance at time t is equal to 0, and at time t is equal to infinite, since the potential here V is similar to this as charge as is maximum, so it will be offering a maximum resistance, so no current will be there in this circuit. Okay, so like this we should solve, and we have to solve the questions for RC circuit and LR circuit when the inductance is there, when the resistance is there in a circuit. So this is the approach we have to follow to solve the question. Okay, thank you.